While Insta360 has gained popularity for its innovative 360 and compact action cameras, the company's latest product, the Flow, aims to compete with DJI by providing superior smartphone stabilization. In other words, the Flow was an attempt by Insta360 to outdo DJI and become the top choice for smartphone stabilizers. However, for a considerable period, DJI has held a dominant position in the realm of gimbals, having released 6 iterations of its stabilizer line, with the most recent being the DJI OM6. So in today's video, we're going to put the Insta360 Flow and DJI OM6 to find out what makes them stand alone from each other.
Looking for an animation studio that can turn your story or idea into animated visuals? Look no further than 10 Studio. Our team of experts creates animated explainer videos that simplify complex ideas and bring your message to life. Our experience can help you tell your story in a way that engages your target audience and makes them remember it. Don't miss out on this opportunity to stand out from your competition. Visit our website to know more at www.10.studio.
Starting with the design, both Insta360 Flow and DJI OM6 are portable and easy to carry. Their foldable and compact design makes them easier to pack and transport. You can easily fit them into your bag or pocket and take them anywhere you go. While both gimbals look almost similar, Insta360 added a pretty unique design idea. Not just the gimbal folds up pretty neatly, but the arm is clear plastic so you can actually see the electronics inside, which is a bit different. Also, you can place a custom design inside this to make your own. In the middle, you'll find a smart wheel that boasts a minimalistic design and gives you quick and easy access to a host of useful functions, which seems much more convenient compared to the side wheel that the DJI OM6 comes with. Moreover, the Insta360 Flow is slightly heavier than the 340-gram DJI OM6. Anyway, the Insta360 Flow supports compatible phones weighing up to 300 grams, whereas the DJI OM6 can hold up to 290 grams. Insta360 Flow comes with a built-in selfie stick, tripod, and works as a power bank, making it a versatile and all-in-one device. It offers everything you need to create on the go, get the perfect angle, get up stationary shots, or charge your phone. DJI OM6, on the other hand, has an elegant slate gray design that is stain resistant and coated in a non-slip texture, making it easy to grip. Furthermore, both Insta360 Flow and DJI OM6 offer 3-axis stabilization technology that helps capture smooth footage. However, DJI OM6's advanced stabilization technology compensates for unwanted movements more effectively, giving it an edge over the Insta360 Flow. When it comes to tracking, Insta360 Flow comes with Deep Track 3.0, an AI-powered tracking feature that keeps subjects in focus with unmatched accuracy and flexibility. It offers person re-identification, slow motion tracking, and zoom tracking features. On the other hand, DJI OM6 has Active Track 5.0 that follows your subject smoothly and keeps them center frame. It's ideal for when you want to tell a story. While both stabilizers offer to track, Insta360 Flow's Deep Track 3.0 provides more features and flexibility than DJI OM6's Active Track 5.0. Both Insta360 Flow and DJI OM6 come with a quick launch feature, making them easy to set up and start shooting in seconds. However, Insta360 Flow's one-step rapid deployment is a more convenient feature, as it requires no untwisting or pressing the power button and is ready to shoot instantly. Additionally, Insta360 Flow's smart wheel provides quick and easy access to shooting controls, video replay, and other functions, making it easier to use on the DJI OM6. In terms of battery life, the Insta360 Flow boasts an impressive 12 hours of battery life thanks to its 2900 mAh battery, which is the best on the market. On the other hand, DJI OM6 has a battery life of up to 6.4 hours, which is significantly lower than Insta360 Flow's battery life. If you're planning to shoot for an extended period, Insta360 Flow is the better option here. As for the price, both of the gimbals come with the same price tag of $159. Though the Insta360 Flow offers few extra features compared to the OM6, but think OM6 is more reliable as DJI making gimbals for years. In conclusion, Insta360 Flow and DJI OM6 are both excellent smartphone gimbal stabilizers that offer various features to help you capture smooth and stable footage. Insta360 Flow's Deep Track 3.0, one-step rapid deployment, smart wheel, and all-in-one design make it more user-friendly and versatile. Its 12 hours of battery life also make it a better option for extended shoots. However, DJI OM6 also has advanced stabilization technology and a sleek design with a non-slip texture, making it top-of-the-line gimbal. Thanks for watching the video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you find this video to be helpful. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.